Hey guys, welcome to my channel Technical Saurabh. I am Saurabh Datta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix automatic repair could not repair your PC. Fix this problem, follow my all steps, don't skip the video. First click to advanced option, click to troubleshoot, then click to advanced option. From the advanced option menu, open the command prompt and type the following command one by one. After the command prompt opens, just type sfc slash scan now and hit enter button. You can use the command prompt to find and fix corrupted files. Once the scan is complete, exit the command prompt, restart your laptop or computer and check to if the issue has been resolved. If the same problem appears, proceed to the next solution. Then go to advanced option again and from there navigate to troubleshoot. Then go to advanced option. Again click to command prompt. Type the following commands into the black window one by one, pressing enter after each. First command is bootrec space slash fix mbr and hit the enter button. Second command is bootrec space slash fix boot and hit the enter button. If access denied appears, proceed to the next command. Next command is bootrec space slash rebuild vcd and hit the enter button. When the final command is finished, type exit and press the enter to close the window. Click continue to see if Windows boot normally. If the same problem appears, proceed to the next solution. Then go to advanced option again and from there navigate to troubleshoot. Then go to advanced option. Again click to command prompt. After the command prompt opens and type the following command one by one, pressing enter after each. Check the hard disk for error. The command is chkdsk space slash f space and slash r space c clone and hit the enter button. When command is enter, the C drive and automatically fix any file system error and corrupt data it will be find. It will scan your system, specifically the hard drive for a time. Type exit and press the enter to close the window. Click continue to see if Windows boot normally. The computer will automatically restart after exiting. If the same problem continuously even after this, reinstall Windows or reset your PC. I hope this video helped you. If you have any doubt related to this, let me know in the comment box below. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.